Hello and welcome to another video. We are in Upper Austria today. It's a Taekwondo tournament. It's very cold here at the moment, although it's quite okay. I'm not sure yet if I'll be able to film with the drone in there, but if not, hopefully afterwards we're going to Salzburg and maybe there I'll be able to show you something. Got my shoes in the car. You can't be an umpire. I'm an umpire at the tournament, by the way. I'm not competing, so it's my job to judge people on their performance, and you need appropriate shoes as to not get the floor dirty and stuff. So this is me getting my shoes again. It's the tournament over now. We're on our way to Salzburg to visit some relatives, and we'll see if we can find some place on the way where I can fly my drone while it's still not too dark. We'll see if it works or not. Anyway, see you soon. Okay, so yesterday, unfortunately, we did not find an adequate place to fly the drone, but today we're on our way to the so-called Mattsee in Salzburg, which will be the first time for me flying over open water, so that's quite exciting. We're really looking forward to that. So, weather's looking fine as well. It's cloudy, but there's no rain. I don't think there's any wind, so here's hoping for very good drone conditions, and hopefully a very good video, which I hope you'll enjoy. Right, that's us now on our way home. That was very exciting, all the drone flying over the open water. Interestingly enough, I was not nervous about that, so seemingly the more you do it, the more confident you become. Don't know if that's a good thing, we'll see. I'm generally a very cautious person, so I don't think I'll do anything too stupid with it. But it was great fun flying it at full speed over the water, seeing how much it can go, and trying out some of the special shots. I hope you enjoyed them. By the way, I haven't even tried all of them myself, so that was just to give you a short peek at what the drone can do. I'll have to see that I can try these out at some point whenever they fit. Now we'll have to search for the next destination to film at. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.